Right now we are moving towards the next dome where the engineering and renewable energy sector is available. In here, more than 207 stalls, that is more than 207 companies are available over here. So let's move inside. So as you can see over here are the list of all 207 stalls for the renewable energy sector, and here is the list for all the stalls of engineering sector. So let's go. First stall over here is P&D Transformers Private Limited. As you can see, they are producing heavy transformers. So let's move inside. So this is a one piece of the big transformer. Let us see. So as you can see, such a big transformer, and there are 4 voltage for 4 connections in this transformer, and that's pretty much it. So as you can see, this company produces a heavy transformer which is the best for industrial use. Right now we are visiting Opera Energies. So in them they are acquiring many instruments for the production of windmills, and they assemble it and sell it to their partners. Right now we are starting from Perfect House Private Limited. So they are producing generator. They are based in Mumbai, and this generator is maximum to 5 years, and they are converting the chemical energy to electrical energy. As you can see over here, there is the electricity. Now we will move over to our next shop, which is KK Electric Co, where they are manufacturing electric scooter. Over here you can see this model over here. So you can see how beautiful it is. The next is Jaktak Wood Pack Safe. So they are producing packaging of wooden boxes for transportation. Now let us move over to the next. So the next stall is about Pelican Mahindra Tenix. They are manufacturer of laser machinery and automation solution. As you can see, there is one model over here at the back side, and another one over here right now live doing the laser printing. So now let us move over to our next stall, which is over here Pantech Valves, which is based in Ahmedabad, as you can see, and all their products are given over here. So let us take a round over here. So as you can see, there are various types of valves produced by their company. Now we will move over to the next company, Odo. As we can see over here, they are having an online company. They are super. As you can see over here, they are having their solutions and their presentation on this laptop. So let us move forward, and here is JM Industries. As you can see, there are industrial size products, various products whose image you can see over here backside at the poster. Now we will move over to the next stall. Here is KD Business Co Limited. As you can see over here, the products of their businesses are posted over here on their banners. Now we will move over to the next stall. Next stall is Gujarat AFE. Yes, it's the same company that came in season 2, episode 4 of Shark Tank India, and this is the product that they came in with, and these are the new products for the car fire, as you can see over here. So next we will move on to the Raycon controls. As you can see, there are various types of valve produced by this company. We will show you the video of it. So these are the various products produced by this company. Okay, now we will move over to the next stall. Now if we see over here is Vulcan Engineering Corporation, and you can see the various products produced by this company. Over here are listed all the products, and here are some physical samples available. Next is CNG Maruti Autogas. So you can see various products presented by this company are over here. Okay, now we will move over to the next stall. Here is Vision Industries Goods Lift and MHE equipment. You can see over here the lift working over here. They are specialized in this kind of product. Now we will move over to the next stall. Here is Capsun.com. They are producing various kinds of air coolers. As you can see, there are many offers if you come and visit over here. So you can see there are many producers of products of all sizes. So let us move in. So as you can see, this is a large cooler available over here. Now we will move over to the next stall. Over here we can see Darshan Industries. They are producing the same kind of lifting and all these products which can be used in construction. Over here you can see how they have displayed their product over